Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PostgreSQL inside the Linux operating system. So first here in Google search box, write there PostgreSQL. Then you should go on this PostgreSQL site. So let's click there. Now the next is click on this download button. Then you need to select here Linux. So you can select this Linux. Let's use their Red Hat. And now or thereafter this is the version is the latest version platform. You can select here Red Hat 9. So this also work in fedora and other. So this here architecture 64-bit, that's fine. Now the next is let's open their terminal, and first command that's going to use there. So this is the first command to install repository RPM. Copy and paste there. Now press enter. So this is now downloading the files, so that date must be connected. Repository RPM, that's done. Thereafter, this is command, second command is used for disable the built-in Postgre module. So let's use this command. So now this is disabling, and the next command is to install the Postgre. The version is 17. So this is the latest version is there. So let's copy this one, and now this done here. Let's use the clear command. Press enter. So this is now installing this PostgreSQL 17 server Postgre 17. So here you can see running and installing. This completed. After that, the next is here optionally initialize automatic start. So this here for optional, but let's execute this command also. For this is for initialization. So initializing the database, now enabling this PostgreSQL. So this done here, initialization okay, and now let's paste this one, this enable, and now let's start this PostgreSQL. So this start there. After that, let's use their clear command. This all done. Thereafter, you need to write there sudo, then -u, then write there postgres. Thereafter, write there psql. Press enter. So this is now that comes inside the Postgres, and here this is the database or that's displaying there. After that, you can create the user, create the database. Let's create the user. So writing there create user or giving the name Adam, then write there with password. So in the single quote giving 1 2 3 4. And now so create role, that's done. After that, if you want, then you can create the database. Create database. Let's give their name Sam. So database also created. After that, you can use or different IDs like dweaver and many more to use this and graphically. And this is how we can install this latest version of this PostgreSQL inside the Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.